Welcome back to another interesting tutorial. In today's video, I will show you a complete guide on how to install Audacity on your PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your browser. Then after opening up your browser, come to the search right here. Go ahead and type in Audacity. Audacity, download, click on that, and it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and click on the official web page right here. And it's going to open up like so. Now you have different options. You have Windows, you have Mac, and then you have Linux. So in this tutorial, we're going to look at how you can install Audacity for Windows PC. So what you want to do right here is to click on this one right here, Windows. And here you go, download from Windows. Audacity installer recommended, 64-bit installer. The current version is 3.7.7. Then here you have Audacity installer, which is recommended, 64-bit installer. This depends on your PC. So I'm going to go ahead and click on download the recommended one. Then the application is going to prepare. Go ahead and click on save. Thank you for downloading Audacity. You can now complete cloud setup. So allow everything to download successfully right here. Successful download, we can now minimize our web browser, then bring out our folder, our download folder right here. So this is my download folder right here, and you can see the Audacity installer setup right here. So what we want to do is to click on it and press enter key on my keyboard to run the setup. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on OK right here. So we want to go ahead and click on my start menu right here. Then we have the Audacity right here. So go ahead and hit enter to launch. Having launched the app, I'm going to go ahead and maximize. Then we want to make sure we come down right here. So the world most popular audio editor, free forever. So we have click on these options right here. So we have Audacity right here. Go ahead and click on install. Then here you go. Go ahead and click on yes right here. Go ahead and click on maybe later. Now we have successfully installed Audacity. So we can go ahead and minimize this and take a look at the Audacity icon on our PC. If you cannot find it, go ahead and click on your startup menu right here. Then search for Audacity. So here we go. We have the app right here. Go ahead and click on the app to launch. Just like so. App update. Audacity notify you in app when a new version is available to download. You can turn off this anytime. So that is for options. Usage info. To help us understand how often people use Audacity, we generate a random ID, brackets, UUID, or close bracket for each installation. This helps us improve features and plan for future update. This ID does not contain any personally identifiable information. You can disable this anytime in preference settings right here. So right here, just come down below right here. Go ahead and click on accept and continue. Then here we go. So you have Audacity is available. This blah 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 blah. Then come down below right here and click on install update. Complete your Audacity cloud setup. Allow all this installation to run completely. Then go ahead and then click on yes. Then here you can choose any other language right here. As for me, I'm going to leave it in English language. Then click on OK. Welcome to Audacity Setup Wizard. Go ahead and click on Next. Then click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Install. The following applications are using files that need to be updated by setup. It is recommended that you allow setup to automatically close this application. After the installation has completed, setup will attempt to restart the application. Go ahead and click on Next. Complete your Audacity cloud setup with audio.com. Go ahead and click on Continue. Create a free cloud account access to your project and audio from this any device. You can log in with either with so I'm going to go ahead with my Google account right here. Click on Continue. Then click on Continue. Account link successful. Click on OK. Then we can bring out our Audacity right here. Then click on OK right here. Now you are fully in installation of your Audacity audio editing software. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Audacity, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.